So here's the finished run. There it is. There's the door. And you lift the door. Come inside. And they're the girls. We just finished the run, so they're so happy. Listen to them. Yay! We feel safe and secure. And that's my watermelon plant going back there. You see that? Look at that. There they go inside. So yay, good job, Daddy. It's all finished. Oh yeah, and now they have this little area they can go in down there. And they're safe. We're gonna put some bedding and straw, hay stuff down there for them. So, it's all done. Yay! Everybody say yay! Say yay.
Yay!
Yay! All done. Here we go, out the door. Woo, big roundabout. Okay, let's come out so we can close the door. Come out.
Okay, you're gonna get it. They're gonna go up.
Go up?